Which is better, an ankle replacement or an ankle fusion? Are you facing the tough decision between ankle replacement or ankle fusion? Well, you're not alone. Let's break down the pros and cons and help you decide between the two treatments. Both an ankle replacement and an ankle fusion are effective, recognized treatments for the treatment of ankle arthritis. Both can help reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation, improving your quality of life. But like with any surgery, there are pros and cons to each. With an ankle replacement, you keep motion in your ankle joint, and this means you'd expect a more natural walking motion afterwards. However, ankle replacements can loosen over time and might need revision surgery in, say, 10 or 15 years. On the other hand, with an ankle fusion, the damaged joint is joined together and fused, so you lose motion in that ankle completely. But here's the interesting part. Your other 29 joints in the foot continue to move, and most people may not even notice they've had an ankle fusion. Studies that compared ankle replacement and ankle fusion have shown that patients in general do well with both, but certain patients need to consider their options very carefully. For example, if you've got arthritis or stiffness in the surrounding joints, such as your hip, your knee, or your foot, then you may not do so well when your ankle motion is taken away. And in those circumstances, an ankle replacement may be better for you. The key is discussing your individual case with your specialist, who can examine you and arrange appropriate scans to figure out what the best option is for you.